learn how to maneuver something huge. And now hold him under the chin. Let me see what he does. Yeah, he can't migrate. Watch your foot, he's peeing. Which is alright. Just watch your foot.
Makes him
See
mad.
how he can't migrate right or left?
Yeah.
That's why you want to use a ball. This one's too big though. This is the one I use with Slayer. Alright, you can out him on that.
I have one of these silicone ones. You want to try that?
No, this one comes in a medium. I told him to order the medium and the small. And when he's playing ball, he can actually cut this. Yeah, he's gonna love that thing. We can have you run with this one, then I'll get the other one. Get on there. There you go. Now run. Look how big he's got to open those gaps though.
Yeah.
Good.
Good and something.
Where do you get these, Joel?
I got him at a vendor. What is it? ABC Sports?
ABC. Yeah.
Oh.
ABC Klein?
Yeah, I think it's Klein Castle. Oh, you can hold it with your chin there. See if they'll hold it for you. I'll get the other one. But for puppies, the small is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, you can kick it towards me. And you're running. Hey!
Not this one.
That's good.
Yeah, there you go. A little bit better on this one.
Yeah. I think it's because we used that other one. Alright, now you can hold him there. Hey, better, buddy. Did you see how I was playing with that one ball that I had with the dogs? I told him quiet, and then we played again, so I put a command to it. That's going to help on my dumbbells.
Okay.
Afterwards, I'll explain how to do it with the puppy.
Yeah. These guys munchy.
Yeah, you can hold him there. We'll work him twice today.
Okay.
I'm going to get the ball one more time, and I'm going to show you how we do quiet. Let me have a little bit more line right there. So I put a command to it on one of the smaller ones. Quiet. Quiet. Yes. And then we play.
Nice.
Hang on. Temper. I can lift him out and I'll give him the one on the other one. But you saw how I was doing with that shepherd. How I said quiet and we played.
I like him.
He's going to be angry.
I'd like to speak to...
Yeah. Is there a manager around?
He's possessed.
Done. Whew, he looked at that one. Sorry.